Welcome to Bob Pulte Chevrolet's social media channels. This will be going up on YouTube today and Instagram tomorrow. This literally just came off the truck. We got a 2022 LT Trailboss in the Glacier Blue. Everybody knows I love this color. I love this black bow tie. This thing does need a bath. Like I said, it is literally just off the truck. So, and I'm not getting into the interior yet. It still has all the plastic. You guys already know about the 13.4-inch touchscreen and all those cool things. I just want to get a video of this truck and this color combination. So we got the black bow tie. I love the black grille. You got the Z71 emblem there. You got the red tow hooks. It's a good combination. This one does have the 20-inch black gloss wheels with the black Chevy bow tie. Once again, one of my favorites. Got the turn and signal indicator there. Probably won't be able to see the window sticker very well. I will put a link down below. This one does MSRP at $65,160. We are honoring GM employee pricing and and supplier pricing. Of course, and any other rebates you may qualify for. This does have the bed liner protection package, I believe. I'll double check that. Like I said, it's got the LT Trailboss package. I'll put some of that information in the description there. I don't want to make this a 12-minute video while I'm talking about that. It's got the 12 attachments to where you can tie downs. Working my way around back here. Got the trailering package as one would expect. You guys already know this. Took them years, but they figured out it's hard to get up into the bed. Let's make it a little bit easier. Like I said, I will have a link below. Like I said before, we are honoring GM employee pricing. We are honoring supplier pricing. Of course, you got the Z71 badging there. This one does have the 3.0 liter Duramax engine for the diesel. There you got the Duramax emblem there. And I do like on the trail bosses, this bad boy. I like that combination. We saw that on the white one that I did a video on a couple days ago. I want to thank you for your time today. Link below with more information, and have a great day.